Alrighty guys, so here we go. 520 conversion on this 2018 R1. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, MrJayCam, man. Sometimes you just gotta know when to quit. I was gonna do an episode installing the chain and sprocket, but I had to call in the professionals and get a little help. Shout out to Motorbike Work Dallas coming out on a Saturday. Bring the trailer right to you. They got everything that you could possibly need to get the job done. Yeah, so what's up everybody? The bike's done, lessons learned. Big thank you to Motorbike Works Dallas. They have their office out in Frisco. I would have been stuck without them right now. Without having a truck that I can use at the moment. So yeah, just a big thank you. Their mobile service is great. And no, they're not paying me to say this at all. Just wanted to give those guys a shout out. They bring the trailer to me, didn't even have to leave home, and they were quick, friendly, and professional. So again, thank you to Motorbike Works Dallas. And here she is. 520 conversion, Vortex aluminum sprocket, the gold chain. Give the bike a little extra little flair, a little different to all the other R1s out there. And got the rear sets installed as well, so I just need to tighten up and finish. Just need to tighten up, go back and put the cover on the front sprocket, though I kind of like the naked look, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know how that'll go like with pants, because I wear Kevlar riding jeans sometimes. So just tidy up a few things, but they did exactly what I needed them to do. Like I said, I learned my lesson. So next time we'll get it done and we can do a better job. All right, gang, so like I said, I'm back here. Just doing a few tidying up items. Pulling up the torque specs right now for this beautiful machine. And then up front, what you'll be looking for is called the drive sprocket nut. This is 125 Newton meters or 90 foot-pounds of torque. I'll let you know where you can find those in the service manual. They're also online in the R1 group on Facebook and the official R1 forum as well. So let's get our torque wrench set for. But yeah, so we got the 520 conversion now, Vortex 2.0, the adjustable rear sets. Still need to get out and ride it. Make sure I got my foot position set the way that I want it. And it's a 14 millimeter down here at the bottom. Hopefully this doesn't have to come loose for a while. Can't wait to get some Michelin's back on this old girl. And yeah, we took the other side. So that's it. Again, thank you to Motorbike Works coming out on what is a Saturday. So we'll be going in to do some editing. I'll get some more videos out for you guys. I know I haven't been riding the bike too much. Like I said, it's out of my control. But when the time comes, we will have her ready. So thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy, MrJayCam. Peace. Ride safe.